Rainy days have begun. Don't wait, he won't come anymore. Forget his smile, forget everything, and let the rain help you please.
Heal the wounds. Early spring rain. It will help you forget everything. dust.